Good morning, sir. My name is J. Pranavi Reddy. My register number is CR15CS150. Today here I am going to explain second exercise in database lab, that is about data manipulation language, and also about the data manipulation language. Here we will see this. First here they ask you to create the table deposit and also branch and borrow. Here they ask you to create these tables with table name as borrow, customer, branch and table, and here they ask you to insert the values inside that tables. Here they have given some values for in those tables, and also they ask you some queries for those to modify those values inside the table. Now we will see the queries. Here first as they ask you to create the table deposit with and branch, customer and borrow. I have created the tables, these four tables. Inside these four tables, see, this is the deposit table, customer table, branch table and borrow table. Inside each table I am inserting all the values, that is for act number, C name, B name, amount, date. See here for this deposit table they ask to insert all these values. That's why I inserted the values into the table. See, I have inserted in those one, and then for each, that is for act number 101, 102, 103, 104 and 105, for every one I have inserted all the values, and then same like that for the deposit table also I have inserted the values into the table. See, you can see here for this is our deposit table, and for branch table, see here I have created, and then after branch table I have inserted into the customer values also, the same as the above one. So here I have inserted, and I also inserted for the borrow table. Inside the borrow table I have inserted all these values. And then see, these are the from here, these are the queries that which they have asked in the question. Up to 7th question already it has completed, that is list all data and give account number, all these are completed. And now we will see from here we will see from this 8th question, that is display names of the customer living in Nagpur. Select C name from the customer details, where here this is the query for that one, who are living in Nagpur. Then it will show the name as Madhu. And then for the second one, that is display the name of the customer having amount greater than 400. See, here I have used the query, and in order to display the deposits where the amount more than 4,000, I have created this. I have used this symbol in this query, so that it will show the name of that customer who deposited more than 4,000. And then coming to the another one, here it is they ask you to display the account date of the customer Anil. So here select a date from deposit where C name is equal to Anil. Here I have used this query so that it will display. And then give the names of all branches located in city Bombay. Here they ask you to display to give the name all the branches located in Bombay. That's why here I have used the query select B name from branch where city is equal to Bombay, so that it will display all these branches located in Bombay that are located. And then give the names of the depositor having account at VRC, so that I have used this one. Select C name from deposit where B name is equal to VRC, so that it will display the names of the depositors located there. And then select B name. Here the question is to display the names of all branches located in Delhi, so I have used select B name from branch where city is equal to Delhi, so that it will display all the branches inside Delhi. And then next question is to display the names of the customers who opened account after 1/12/1995, that is 1st December 1995. So here I have used the query as select the C name from deposit where it is greater than 1 December 95, so that it will here I have used this symbol in order to open the customer name after 1995. Names are Sunil, Madhuri and Pranad, that are displayed. These are displayed from the table. And then he asked another question is the account number and deposit amount of the customer having account opened between these date. Here I have given the query as select CNAME from deposit where a date between 1st December 95 and 1st June 96, so that it will display the name, all these names in the deposit table. And then the another question is give 10% interest to all the depositors. So in order to first increase the interest for the depositor, I have used this formula, that is amount is equal to amount plus amount into 0.01, so that the amount will be updated in those tables. And then for the second other question, here they ask 10% interest to all depositors having in branch VRC. Here the same I have used, but here as the branch name is given specified, here I have used where B name is equal to VRC, so that the single row will be updated rather than all the rows. Next, change the living city VRC branch borrowers to Nagpur. Here it asked they asked to change the living city name of VRC branch borrowers to Nagpur. And the next question is to change the deposit of VRC to 1000 and change the branch VRC Ambassador. So here I have given update deposit set B name VRC where B name is equal to VRC, so that that row will be updated. And then here he asked to delete the customer from Bombay city. So here I have used the query as delete from customer where city is equal to Bombay, so that no rows will be displayed in that city. And then here he asked to display the customer details whose name ends with L. So here see here the select CNAME from the customer where CNAME, that is whose name ends with the L, so that it will display these details, that is Sunil and Madhu, whose name ends with the L. And then the next question in this transition control language, in the transition control language, here they ask to insert the following to insert in the branch table. So I have inserted these into the branch table here. See here I have inserted into the branch table, and then they ask to create a save point here. Here I have used the query as save point, and we have to save this by using the character which they have given. Here they have given A, that's why I used A, and the save point is created. And then they ask to insert the branch values that are Andheri and Bombay. Same I did by using this query, and same here they asked to insert two branch names, so I have inserted these two. And then here they ask to roll back to already created save point, that is roll back to A. That's why I used the query as rollback here. So rollback is completed. And then here they asked to insert the tables to insert the following into the branch table. So I have inserted this Nehru, Delhi and Powai, Bombay into this branch table. Insert into branch values, that is branch values is the name of the branch table. So and then here they ask to commit the transactions. So I have used the query as commit. And then to perform rollback to A, here I have already performed here already have performed this rollback. That's it. Thank you.